Hello, good afternoon. Afternoon guys. So, how are you? Kumusta naman? No? It's been a week since we have you guys have your intramurals, no? I hope you enjoyed your intramurals and intramurals will received a grade good as what I have promised before. Isa murag lagid ko. Alright, can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir. Dungog ra, sir.
Okay. I am using my phone currently. Cellphone akong gamit kay lagit kayo ang internet. Ate sa mo pa sa kadit lang. So before we start, attendance ata. Please say present when your last name is called. It's Kabag or raise your virtual hand.
Present, sir.
Okay, thank you. Next we have Canonigo, Capisnon,
Present, sir.
Carbos,
Present, sir.
kay sa marag hilag na sa kalagot sa lanang internet. Once again, Carbos,
Present, sir.
okay, so isa. Carbos present. Sorry, Sinisa, are you there? Babi as Wi-Fi. Okay, thank you. Next we have Codino. Alright. Tagle, De La Victoria, Felices, Gavato, Genon,
thank you. Hernandez.
Present, sir.
Okay, thank you. Ibarra. Libron. Lucero. Thank you. Mahinay. Mahusay.
Present, sir.
Mandreza. Nigre. Niadas. Umandak. Omega. Omictin. Swan. Sumalinog. Excuse me. Soralta. Thank you. Texon. Tuto. Valizado. And Villacampa. Okay. All right. So once again, good afternoon, guys. I apologize if medyo um crappy kayo kung network sa. So for now, by the way, raise of virtual hands those who are not yet done with the requirement that I have posted. Raise of hands, everyone. So there are, I think, the majority, no? Sakto ba? Majority ba? Wa man mo isang tanan. So kanira ding wala ni isa ang wa pa ka-submit. So may I know, okay, you may lower your hands now. May I know in which part of the requirement you have difficulties in installing or asa mo dapita na ungot? Anyone? Ayo, asa mo dapita naglisod?
Katong KL nga activity, sir.
Yeah, kay ba ko Kale, pero I'm asking is asa mo dapita sa Kale naglisod ba? Like, unsa man ang pag-install, ang pagpadagan, unsa man?
Installing, sir.
See, ang installation kay ako man tong gi-upload sa to ang Google Classroom katong ARM software solution or ARM software instructions, no. There are two ways for us to install the kill or the kel nga kon the kel nga wansa. Kadyo sa guys ha. Okay, so once again, no, naara gid dito sa kuan sa kel na sa to instruction. So there are two ways, no, for us to install the application. So just click on the first is the legacy solution, whereas you go to the website nga akong i-click. So ako na sa i-share screen daan be. So mao ni siya. So mao ni siya, no, ang workbook. Click na ninyo nga website. Ay, isa. Ah, medyo crappy gid kay among internet re guys. So you will be redirected in this website, no, if I'm not mistaken. Sa kani siya. So ang imong pilion based on the instruction is you will select, no, download legacy support for ARM7, ARM9 and Cortex R. So mo ni siya ang inyong i-click kani siya. Then once click, it will install a zip file. If wala ko masayop. Sa tututunahan daw. So dara, mo download yun siya og zip file. So once you download, maabutan na ang kanang inyong installer. I-click lang niya installer. Follow rin niyo. Yes, yes. Then, so once clicking run, you get a welcome screen. Click next. Then accept the agreement. It gives you the destination screen. The default is condition default depende sa inyong unit. So Windows man tang gamit, so Windows itong gamiton. You get a registration screen which was pre-filled with the information I used pero wala ta nag-pre-filled. So ang katong inyong company nga giselect ato should be si Tio or ako rang gibutan dito kay si Tio raman ni gana raman siya. Then click nyo finish. So when you create a project, go to the you open the select device for target 1 tab. So ato ring i-share screen na sad balik. Then software pack selector. So asa man siya makitaan. So dara. Ako so let me reshare my tesa ha. So mo ni ang naong no sa Kel nga software. So katong naka-install no. So following the instruction, you open the select device for target 1 tab. You click on the software packs selector. So asa na dapat makitaan? So kani siya pack installer or file extension ari diri. By default, naaray mo open ani nga window once you click the finish nga installation ni sa ha. Medyo hinay gini siya kay mukaon na siya. Nya, this window will show up after you click this button here. Ang magawas ana niya will be this one. Uy, an error chucho man. So, kani? Hala. Kanina lang ay. So, kani ang mo-open. Makita na ko screen. Wala pa. Kita na. So, akong usbon, when you click this button here, magawas ani kay kani nga window. May noon. So, kani nga window. Install all the packs that you needed or that we needed in our project. So, by default is katong ARM. So, click lang ninyo, i-install na ninyo tanan. I-install niyo tanan. So, asa niyo makitaan? There is a right side ang pack. As well as, if you want to include the examples, there is a lot ninyo pwedeng i-add. Parihan niyo, Blinky. So, there are a lot of example codes na pwede niyo i-copy. Packs will be here. So, click lang ninyo ang install. So, in this case, updated na siya. So, install. Kaning deprecated is wala na ni siya ma-active. And so on and so forth. So, install na. Okay? But then again, ingat na lagi na siya pag-install niya. Okay? Questions? Wala rin
Excuse me, sir.
questions.
Unsa dito specifically ang packs nga ipang download? I mean, i-install.
Ari, tabalik na to ha.
Wala kami ka-catch up,
So,
sir.
ako
Unsa
lang
nga pack?
i-extend. Sige, kalimot ko. My bad. Kuha lang, ang gibasehan na to, ang atong kasagaran project is under Cortex M4 processor. So, Ang yung i-download sa nga packs is katusang sa M4. Sa medyo hinay jud kayo. Arita sa ARM unya may noon. Ay naya eh. So kaning naay so kana medyo lagid kayo sinsya igid. So kaning naay mga kani up kaning kaning mga up to date kaning mga naay up to date diri nga packs ang iyang install kani siya mga ARM kasagaran. If possible, tanan R nga packs i-install lang. But then again, if you still have difficulties until next week, then I guess you will shift to another ano na lang, another option na lang since once again this type of um this type of emulator or simulator is karaan na siya but mao gyapon maong guni ang gigamit kasagaran karon sa embedded systems or sa kana computer architecture organization nga particularly sa firmware development. So katulang nga mga packs nga related sa ARM4, ARM Cortex M4. So ayun yung install on ya. Let me know by the end of the week if you still have difficulties. If so, we will then proceed with or we'll shift to another option na lang. Okay? Kuha ra. Questions. Okay? So if wala ra, so padayon ko sa ato ang kuan. So once again, this is the Kale no nga simulator. So mo ni siya ang iyahang interface as you can see. The left part here is where you can see your projects. So this is the workspace. Build output will be at the bottom. And here are file edit and there are some options. So once again, here is the pack installer. And here is the type of simulator nga imong gigamit. So ako gipraktisan is kaning STM32. And also kanin sa day i-appeal na lang po ni nga pack kaning STM32F103 kay if dili mo gana si M4 kanina lang ya I will rephrase or I will edit na lang the instructions para dili mo maglisod. Okay? So essentially ang UVision 4 is an IDE no that is project based. So that is each new program must be part of a project. So unlike Visual Studio Code nga per page or per text lang inyong pagbuhat sa project or sa inyong lagi project, si Kel is same with other IDEs nga atong naagian. So mostly it is under siya sa ka project. So when you create a Kel application or Kel project, so you should start with creating the project. So let's step through the process of creating a program. So let take down note lang nato nga this package will continue to be upgraded during its life and there may be differences between these examples and the systems you're using. So to start, you click on project, then go to new UVision project. Asa kani. Then it will show in which asa nimo gusto ibutang ang inyong project. So in this case, naara ko'y naka kuandaan nga kasi nga na nabutang na folder kung asa na gusto siyang i-implement. Then butangan ako diri og let's say first example. So when I click OK, it will ask you to sa Sorry na wala ang share screen. Please let me know if you can now see the screen. Thumbs up
Yeah,
lang
sir.
if naara. Naara. Okay, thank you. So once again, you will be routed into this window. Ay, wala ni mo nakitaan ang select device na window, no? Murag, wala jud. Tar screen na lang para di ta mahasol. Tara. So you'll be routed in this window. You will be asked to select your software packs. So here is the selected, no, or mga packs nga atong gipang install. You have the STM Electronics and we also have the ARM. So if you want to select ARM, click on M4, then sa to, kani, aim virtual hard drive. So kanilang VHD, since we are using a simulator, man. Click on OK. Then, validation na ni siya. Click, kanan ninyo, leave as is na ni. Click on OK. So here you have the project example niya. So as you can see, makita ra diri sa file as a project tab ang inyong window. I mean, ang project na inyong gi-open. Okay, so when you hit save, your window will automatically appear. So obviously, so kung imo na siyang i-save, example lang, imo siyang i-save, click ra na nimo ang kani o kani. Okay? So, katong gipakita na to ganina, let's create a source file. So for us to create a source file, you go to the file. Bus no lagi ni siya, di makita ang kuan. Arito sa file, then save. Amo lagi ni after enter to save it. You can add a item. So pareha gyapon ni. So ganahan kag C file, C++ file or assembly file if ganahan tawag assembly. Let's try to get this one, Blinky. Then you will place your codes here. After you place your code, you click on the save files. For that, your save or your files will be saved inside your Blinky or inside your project. So let's try to open a example project. So asa na siya makitaan. Asa to? Dra. Example is kani siya. So in this case, I am using a STM F32F103 simulator. So there you kita niyo ang mga configurations and this is the source file. The source file is in, unsa man siya? .c. So C ang gigamit ani, but if you want to use assembly, pwede ra sad. So for us to check, to debug if our code is running ba gyud siya, we click on asa man to? Kami start and debug session. So kani siya, we'll start the egg program as well as we'll check in what register is the line of code being executed. So I think you're all familiar with this. So dili lang to nitan-awon kay daghan mo kayo ni. Okay. So for now, that will be all. Wala if naagyapon may kanang difficulties in your Kiel na installation. If I'll give you until Wednesday lang. If wala dili Wednesday, Friday lang until Friday. If wala gani gihapon, then we will shift to another another application for our projects. Sige. Any questions so far, guys? Wala ra?
I-over ni mong deadline sa classroom, sir.
Hmm?
I-move ra ni mong deadline sa classroom.
Oh, i-move ra na ko. Kuan lang, tagaan lang to mo until Friday. work on it. If wala gani gihapon, then we will shift to another ano na lang. Instead of using kale, we will use a different ano na lang familiar sad mo. Okay. So kato lang sa onya kisa tong at wala pa naka-attendance.
Ko, sir.
Once again, let's have
Yes, sir.
feel lang sa unahon sa natong wala pa natawag from the top, make it drop. Let's have Canonigo. Kinsay friend ni Canonigo.
Present, sir.
Autoraday, hello. Then Kapisnon,
Present, sir.
para Dagle, De La Victoria, Ibarra, Libron,
Present, sir.
okay, thank you. Omictin,
Present, sir.
thank you. Valizado, si Valizado. Okay, wala pa. Sige. De La Victoria, natawag din ako ganina. Umandak as well. Okay na niyo umandak, na-note na rin ako ganina. Okay. Sige. So, if you have no more questions, so please use our time today to utilize no, the kill. If wala gani gapon, let me know. As you may early out lang work out on our KL project. And to those who have or who want to have consultations this afternoon, please or please remain. Okay. Thank you guys for your time and keep safe.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.